My another time chance. I hear another train coming. Check it out. BNSF, alright. Warbonnet. Hi, John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. SD70ACE, alright! DPU, alright! 114 ethanol tank cars. 114 ethanol tank cars. DPU, alright. Check it out. How cool was that? I was rooting for them today. Do you know what I rooted for today? I saw a BNSF Warbonnet leading a tank train by the conductor, John Shoemaker, waving at me wearing a red shirt and gray shirt. And he was wearing blue pants, and he waved at me out the door. So that was, I rooted for a BNSF Warbonnet. I was rooting for a Warbonnet. Symbol that train was BNSF -9-44CW. I was rooting for a Warbonnet with our SD70ACE with our DPU. That train here originates at Marion, South Dakota. Heads west going to Fort Worth, Texas. Happened on this Friday, May 10, 2024 by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains. And BNSF with our Warbonnet locomotive on YouTubeland. You get a comment section below the video with John Shoemaker and the Warbonnet waving at me. Give YouTube a like. I appreciate from Wide World of Trains. My name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good one.